Cylinder Deactivation and Injector Test with DiaSys Dialog System. MTU Engine / ECU-7 ADEC. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to spot for everything on automobile diagnostics. Before we dive in, I have a quick favor to ask. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for updates, and stick around till the end so you don't miss a thing. And if you enjoy the content, a super thanks would mean the world to us. Let's get started. The cylinder deactivation and injector test features in the DiaSys Dialog system allow for precise diagnostics and operational checks of MTU engines equipped with ECU-7 ADEC. Cylinder deactivation alternates injector activation to ensure smoke-free operation at a preset speed, 1000 RPM, or free speed. Below is a step-by-step guide to perform these functions. MTU USB to CAN 2.74 Diagnostic Software Compact XAT Truck Diagnostic Tool Diesel Engine Scanner. DiaSys used to communicate with various MTU controllers, RCS, 5 remote control systems, and MCS, 5 monitoring and control systems. 1. Establish data link to controller online. Read more. Program startup with the Dialog system DiaSys. MTU Engine / ECU-7 ADEC. 2. Select extras. 3. Select injector functions. Hashtag Injector Cutout. 4. Select Injector Cutout. Select test mode, full mode / half mode 1 / half mode 2, and engine speed, predefined / free speed. Select init. Select yes on common caution message box. Select the injector, A1, A6, and B1, B6, then select Injector Off button. Select Injector On button when finished and change to another injector. After all injector cutout completed, select Date button. Select CSV file to see the results on .csv file. Select Close to close the test. Hashtag Injector Test. 5. Select Injector Test. Select Test Mode, full mode / half mode 1 / half mode 2. Then select Start Test button. It will automatically start the injector test from A1 until B6. Select Stop Test to stop the test. Please wait until all injector test is finished. Select Evaluation to see the results. Select Print or export the file. Thanks so much for watching till the end. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And before you go, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future videos. If you'd like to show extra support, go ahead and tap that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing!